Navigating the mental health system can be a challenge, especially when you've been living with a mental illness that is affecting you on a day-to-day basis. Having someone to show you how to access and navigate the mental health system can make a positive difference to your recovery. Many services exist to help people with severe and persistent mental health needs, and each can play an important role in a person's recovery journey. Partners in Recovery is simply one point of contact who can walk alongside you, help you to link with services, and work with you to coordinate the support you need in your own personal recovery journey. Meet Sam. He met his Partners in Recovery facilitator to discuss his personal recovery goals and treatment wants and needs. With these in mind, Sam and his facilitator developed a detailed action plan in consultation with relevant services. Sam has since reconnected with his community through his interests, benefited from regular psychologist appointments, and has secured stable accommodation through the Department of Housing and Public Works. His family has also received help from local carers services. GPs and family, as well as a mentor and community programs, have all played a part in Sam's recovery, all with the guidance of Sam in partnership with one Partners in Recovery facilitator. Partners in Recovery is about connecting the dots between services, ensuring that people with severe and persistent mental health needs are on the recovery journey they want and need. Partners in Recovery is also about system change. It is engaging community members and services to identify gaps and barriers in the mental health system and support services. Partners in Recovery will work to smooth out these areas to build a more flexible and coordinated system for the future. If you, your family, friends or carers feel you may benefit from our support, please contact our friendly intake team to find out more. You can do it. We can help.